Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So today we'll see one more session in computer networks, that is a DNS resource record. So in our previous sessions we have discussed about the DNS. What is a DNS? So domain name system, where the human readable domains, that means URLs, will be converted into IP addresses. So we have already seen how the conversion will be done, right? So now we will see what is the DNS resource record. So here the complete domains, we have seen lot of domains, right? So top level domain, second level domain and subdomains. So whatever it may be, the complete information about the domains will be maintained in the DNS record, which is called as a resource record. So it stores the complete information about domains, okay, complete information. These are called as a records, right? So here, what are the fields which are available in this record? So fields, the first one, name. It gives a domain name, actual domain name. Type of record. So here for every domain there will be different types of information like IP address, similarly alias, that means a duplicate names, and the naming servers, okay, and the pointer for reverse mapping of IP to URL. So like that we'll be maintaining a lot of records. So for every domain there will be different records. So which type of record it is? So this is a type of record. Class. What's a class of domain? So usually it is an internet class. So it will be represented with IN. IN stands for internet. Okay. And next, time to live. Time to live. This is a timer. Okay. Until when the record has to be in a cache. So what we have said. So whenever we type some URL in the browser, so it will search in the DNS server, right? It will go to the DNS server. Before going to the DNS server, first it will check in the local cache. So if the website IP address is available in the local cache, directly it will be connecting to the local cache, I mean that particular IP address. So how much time it should be available in cache. Okay, and the next one is a value. So this is a actual information of a domain, right? So these are all the different fields of DNS resource record. Okay, so for every domain there will be different records. So now we'll concentrate on what are the different types of records, because everything is common. So domain name is common, internet is common, time to live, the timer is common, and value, the actual information is common, but there is a difference on type of a record. So we have said that there are different types of records, so that specifies this field. So we'll focus on that particular thing, the types of records. So what kind of information available on domains? So types of records. See, if the type of record is a record, so the name is a record, that means it is an address in IP version 4. So if the type of record is a record, it is an address in IP version 4. For example, if it is a, so 4A's record, this means it is an address in IP version 6, so version 6 address. Okay, and if it is MX record, so it gives the information about mail server or mail exchange. Okay, mail server or a mail exchange of that particular domain. So all these records will be it belongs to one domain, so every domain will be having a different records. Okay, next, CNAME record. CNAME record. So CNAME record means alias name. So another name. Okay, and also we can call it as a canonical name. Also we can call it as a canonical name, right? Next, PTR record means reverse lookup. Reverse lookup. What is a reverse lookup means? IP to domain. So actually DNS works with a conversion of domain to IP address, but here the PTR means reverse lookup, which is a IP to domain. Okay, so these are all different kinds of records. Okay, so very few records, and there are more number of records available. So some important records. So IP address is most important, and then the mail exchange records and the canonical records are most important. Okay, so these are types of records which are stored in DNS server. So who will maintain all these type of resource records? So these are not resource records, these are the types of records. So resource record means for every domain, it will be having a different fields like name of the domain, type, similarly time to live, etc., what we have seen. And who will maintain all these things means a DNS server will maintain the resource records. So I'll write here, DNS server maintains all the resource records, and every domain will be having multiple records. Record is different and resource record is different. Okay, so hope you understood about this DNS resource record. So I'll stop here, and if you really enjoyed the session, like my session, share my session with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.